Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can dress like Jessie from Toy Story in Dress to Impress. So in this fun and fierce DTI tutorial, we're bringing the Wild West to the runway with a full Jessie from Toy Story transformations. Let's just get started. So for the hair in here, I'm using this bangs and also this long braid hair, this one, and I'm using this color here. So this is the hex code that I'm using for the hair, and let's just move on to the outfit. So for the pants, I'm going to just put on this pants in here and glue it into no flower. And I'm going to change the color using the cow pattern. So I'm going to find, okay, so this is the pattern that I'm going to use for the pants. You can just put it on, and for the second color I'm going to make it black, and for the top here I'm going to put on the basic long sleeve here, this one, and color it white. And I'm going to put on this biker short, color it blue like this. I'm going to make it a darker. Okay, this is the blue color. And then for the vest, I'm going to just use this one in here and color it yellow. And now you are just going to put on the belt. So I'm going to put on this belt in here and make it black. And for the boots, I'm going to just go to use the code item. Let's put on the hat first. So this is the hat, the cowboy hat that I'm going to use, and I'm going to color it brown, just like this. And now let's put on the shoe. I'm going to use this boots from the code item, this one, and change the color into brown. Okay, like this. And now I'm going to just put on some accessory. So this necklace here, and you are done. So this is my look for Jessie of Toy Story. I hope you like this hack. So whether you're channeling your inner Yeehaw queen or just want to play for and both of it, this one's got that Pixar charm with a side of sass. Like if you like this video, don't forget to also comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button for more DTI transformations and outfit hacks. Bye!